Consider the function f of x equals x plus 5. When working with this function, I could give you an input and ask you to find the output, or I could give you the output and ask you to find the input. Before we consider notation, let's try to figure out what the output and input are on these problems. If we plug in a 10 for x, 10 plus 5 equals 15. If I wrote out all the steps, it might look like this. Notice how in the first line, before I input a number, we still have x in the window. After we plug in 10, 10 appears in the window. We end up with f of 10 equals 15, which means when the input is 10, the output is 15. This is a very quick and easy way to write all of this. Let's do the other side. In this problem, our output was 7. So what was our input? We might rewrite the problem this way. Notice in the first line, f of x equals x plus 5, we have just written the function. In the second line, we've swapped out the output f of x with 7. From here, we just need to solve for x, and we see that the input must have been 2. If you want to show the input and ask what the output is, you can write something like this. This says, when the input is 3, what is the output? On the other side, if the output is given, it'll look like this, and you will be asked to find the input. In the first case, it's just a matter of swapping out x with the input, and in the second case, it's just a matter of swapping out the f of x with the output.